my shoulder has improved a lot in the first week, and it's amazing.
Today I'm interviewing one of our UMS tribe members, Freezy Fang, who is all the way over in China, and he's had an incredible result rehabilitating a slap tear with us using the Unified Movement System, aka UMS. He's made a complete recovery and he's back to full strength, and he's going to share his experience with you. You have to excuse the language barrier. English is not his first language, and he's pre-prepared his answers to my questions, so he's going to be reading them off a screen, so bear with him. It's an incredible story, so tune in and enjoy. How are you, Freezy?
Yeah, it's good, but it's cold.
Yeah, cold over there, huh?
Yeah, cold every day.
So your transformation has been incredible, the results that I've seen you have. What was the problem that you were having before you discovered us and the UMS?
Okay. I suffered a slap tear while my Olympics weightlifting train. It was very painful. I couldn't lift my arm above my head, and the pain get worse at night, and I couldn't even sleep. Most of the doctors I saw let me get surgery, but I really didn't want to do it. Surgery is dangerous. In my country, elite level physical therapy and rehab are developing slowly, and most of them serve professional athletics, and the fees are very expensive, and I can't afford.
Yeah, wow.
I
Yeah.
think in many countries it's very expensive,
Yeah, it
not
is.
just China.
Yeah, it is. I spoke to somebody on YouTube just the other day, and they were saying that the surgeon told them they need surgery for their slap tear, and it was $25,000. I think they were over in the United
Yeah.
States. So it's obviously it's a cost that a lot of people just can't afford. And what results have you noticed since joining the UMS?
First of all, my shoulder has improved a lot in the first week, and it's amazing. And I'm very happy because I have received local physical therapy. I feel that it is not as effective as UMS. And to be honest, it's too different, and it is really expensive. I have been slept tear rehab for a year, and now I have basically returned to my normal weightlifting level. I even feel that my shoulder is stronger than before.
Yeah, wow.
And then I think the train is more systematic. Not only sleep tear rehab, but the other train you helped me to develop is also great. I have never been exposed to such train before. You know, I have 10 years of stress train experience, and the flexibility and the mobility cured my chronic hip pain. All my train movements are better under your guidance. I watch all of your videos almost every day. From your video, I learned how to look at the train correctly, not to press weight too much, and stay humble. Watch less Instagram and TikTok and YouTube.
I love that,
Bad
man.
English.
No, you've got
And
because you couldn't lift your arm up like that before you started with me, could
no,
you?
no, I before I meet you, I only just
Yeah.
90
Yeah, wow.
or worse.
Yeah, and now you can get
Now
your
I'm
arm right up
back.
over your head. Yeah,
Yeah, yes.
yeah,
Yes, so it's amazing, man.
yeah, yeah. That was the same with me when I first had my slap tear. I couldn't lift my arm past here. I was in so much pain, and to try and lift it out there, I couldn't go anywhere. And I got told by doctors and surgeons that I needed surgery as well. But the whole reason why what I've given for you is so effective is because I had access to really, really good physical therapists over here, and they like sports physical therapists that work with professional athletes, and their approach was
Mm,
really, really different to the average physio, and they didn't even talk to me like surgery was even an option. They were just like, no, no, we just do this and we do this and you'll get better, and it just happened so quickly, you know. So I'm so happy that it's
Yeah.
that you've had a similar result as well. What would you say to anybody that's considering joining the UMS that has a slap tear as well, that's skeptical about it?
I think everyone of any age, gender, or experience is suitable to join UMS. And UMS can ensure that you can to improve without hurting yourself. It's important for me because I often see newbies doing very dangerous move in the gym every day. I think people who have been trained for many years need a coach more because most of people have posture or imbalance problems like me. You and Yanni's experience can help us to continue improve without getting injured, which is very valuable. You know, injuries are very painful and expensive.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. That's great advice, man. Look, thank you so much, Freezy. It's been a pleasure to hear your story, and it's just been incredible to watch you. I love seeing your posts when you show your before and after pictures, and you show how far you've come. You know, and you really inspire
Mm.
the new people who are in the tribe who are just starting their slap tear journey. I've seen a lot of people comment on your posts in the forums talking about how inspired they
Yeah.
are by you. So it's a pretty cool thing to think
Yes. I.
that you've come from that place where you were so injured and so compromised, and now you're the inspiration for everybody else that's injured, you know, and that's looking for hope.
Yeah, it's my purpose, you know, like Marion or anyone in our group.
Yep.
They
100%.
need inspiration.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely,
Yeah.
man.
Yes. Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
thank you so much for your time, Freezy. It's been a pleasure, mate.
Yeah. Yeah. It's my pleasure, really.